Learn how to use social media comments to generate high-quality leads with this video. Find those just right posts with hashtags. Identify leaders and influencers in your specialty. Check out their posts. successwithkarina.com/tips and ideas will get you more info like this. Scroll through the comments of the posts you have found. React and reply with value-rich information. Go to and look around profiles of the person making the comment. If their posts resonate with you, react and comment, then click on their follow button. Go back to the original post, rinse and repeat. You can start seeing the posts of the people you are now following. Start a conversation with potential leads by reacting and commenting on their posts as they pop up.